Happy morning, dear children. Welcome back to your environment class. So, today we will continue with our lesson number 4, soil. Okay? In the last class, we had discussed about what is soil and how it is formed and what are the things that are in the soil. Okay, soil में क्या क्या होता है and soil form कैसे होती है, हमने वो सब पढ़ा था, right? Today we will see the types of soil. Okay, there are in all 3 types of soil. First one is clay soil, second one is sandy soil and third one is loamy soil. Okay, so today we will discuss about it. And in addition to it, we will see the uses of soil. Okay, soil हमें किस काम आती है, we will discuss that as well. Okay, so shall we start? Let's go.
Soils differ in color, particle size, and amount of air and water. There are mainly 3 types of soils.
Soils के difference क्या होते हैं, किस basis पे होते हैं? Size of particles, छोटे बड़े particles होते हैं soil में. Then the amount of air. As we all know, soil contains many minerals, water, air, right? कितनी सारी चीजें होती है soil में. So the amount of air and water. Okay. And basically उसके कितने types होते हैं? 3 types. We will study that.
Sandy, clay and loamy. Clay soil. It contains mostly clay. It consists of soil particles of very small size. It is smooth, sticky and is used by potters to make pots and toys.
Dear children, clay soil जो होती है वो थोड़ी स्मूथ होती है एंड थोड़ी सी चिपचिपी होती है. ओके, एंड वो हम लोग किसको यूज करते हुए देखते हैं? पॉटर्स को. ओके, जो मिट्टी के बर्तन बनाते हैं, दे यूज क्लेई सॉइल टू मेक यूटेंसिल्स. ओके,
Clay soil is not good for plants because there are no spaces between its particles to hold air.
वो प्लांट्स उगाने के लिए बिल्कुल अच्छी नहीं है बिकॉज वो ज़्यादा देर तक हवा को और पानी को अपने अंदर नहीं रख सकती. ओके, सो what it is written over here, it is not good for the plants because there is no space. Okay, किसके लिए स्पेस नहीं है? To hold air. Okay, next.
There are no spaces between its particles to hold air, but it can hold a lot of water.
Clay soil जो है वो चिपचिपी होती है, ठीक है, तो वो एयर को तो रोक नहीं सकती पर वो पानी जो है उसको होल्ड करके रख सकती है. ओके,
Because water cannot pass through the particles easily. Sandy soil. It mainly consists of sand. There is a lot of air in the spaces between its large particles.
The second type is sandy soil. Okay, and उसके अंदर there is very much space for air. Okay,
but it cannot hold much water because water can easily pass through these spaces. So very few plants are able to grow in sandy soil. It is mostly found on seashore and
in sandy soil एयर ज़्यादा हो सकता है बट वो पानी को होल्ड नहीं कर सकते. ओके, एंड वो ज़्यादातर कहाँ पाए जाते हैं? इन द सी शोर एरियाज एंड डेजर्ट्स. ओके, एंड इसमें बहुत ही कम प्लांट्स ग्रो किए जा सकते हैं. ओके,
in deserts. Loamy soil. It contains both sand and clay particles. Therefore, it is very good for growing plants. It contains a lot of humus and can hold both air and water.
Dear children, the third type is loamy soil. Okay, उसमें sand भी होता है, clay भी होता है और क्या होता है? बताओ बताओ, क्या पढ़ा था हमने? Let us see. इसमें silt होता है. Okay, and because of this,
Both air and water.
because of this, it can hold a lot of water. Okay, and it is very good for the plants. इसमें plants हम बहुत अच्छे से grow कर सकते हैं. Next,
Uses of soil. All
now we will see how soil is useful to us. Okay, soil का सबसे पहला और important use is that we can grow plants, trees, crops, fruits, vegetables, right? So वो हमें ये सारी चीजें grow करने के काम आता है. The second use is that कुछ insects, animals के लिए soil is their house. Okay? आपने अगर देखा हो तो जो ants होती हैं, they dig small holes and they make their house under the soil. Same is with the rabbits, right? So ऐसे काफी insects, animals हैं जिनके लिए soil is their home. Okay, so this is the second use. Let us see.
All plants grow in soil. Soil contains water and minerals that plants need for their growth. Imagine if there was no soil, there would be no plants and we would have no food. Soil is home to many animals. Ants, rats, earthworms, and many other animals live in soil. Earthworms are very useful for farmers. Earthworms dig tunnels in the soil and loosen it. They add humus to the soil and make the soil fertile. This soil is good for growing plants, so they are often called the farmer's friends.
Who all are known as the farmer's friends? Yes, earthworms, because वो सॉइल में जाके उसको डिग करते हैं और सॉइल को अच्छा सा मटेरियल प्रोवाइड करते हैं. ओके, जिससे सॉइल जो है वो और फर्टाइल हो जाती है. राइट डियर चिल्ड्रन? सो सॉइल इज सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस. अगर सॉइल नहीं है तो एनिमल्स को शेल्टर नहीं मिलेगा, हम ह्यूमन बींग्स उस पर अपना घर नहीं बना पाएंगे, हमें प्लांट्स नहीं मिलेंगे. राइट? सो सॉइल इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Right? Now let us see what we have got next. See, हमने पढ़ा types of soil, clay soil, sandy soil, loamy soil. Okay? Uses of soil, plants grow, right? And soil is home for many animals, right? See, earthworm, rabbit, snake, rat, ant, right? ये सबके लिए soil is their home. Now, time for your homework, your worksheet. Now, this worksheet you have to do in your textbook itself. Okay? What you have to do? You have to tick the correct answer. You have to read the question. You have to select the correct answer. And then you have to tick it, okay, in these circles, right? This you have to do. Then the fill in the blanks. See, soil contains dash. Now यहाँ पे आपको दो options दिए गए हैं. You have to select the right option and then you have to fill the blank, okay? So blank number 1, 2, 3 and 4. This you have to do in your textbook. The next is write T for true and F for false. यहाँ पे आपको sentences दिए हैं, आपको बताना है the sentence is true or false. Okay? Loamy soil is good for plant growth. चलो बताओ, loamy soil अच्छा है plants उगाने के लिए? True or false? Yes, true. So यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे T, right? all this you have to do in your textbook. Okay, this is your homework. I hope you all are clear with lesson number 4, soil. I will meet you in the next class with something more fun and interesting. Okay, bye. God bless you.